Konnichiwa, minasan. So today we will learn Japanese grammar kono, sono, ano. In previous session we have learned Japanese grammar kore, sore, are. So let's see what is the difference between. As you can see here, kono, sono, ano is used for those are the demonstrative words. Okay, like kore, sore, are. But what is the major difference? If you see, if you remember the previous slide or previous video, kore, sore, are is only used for things. Okay, but kono, sono, ano can be used for things as well as people. Okay, so kono, sono, ano can be used for things as well as people. Okay, let's take suppose the concept is same. Let's take suppose this is a speaker. Okay, this is speaker and the object or things or person who is near speaker. Okay, who is near speaker, we will call that object like kono. Okay, kono is the thing or person who is near the speaker. Kono means English it is this. Okay, which is near to speaker. And remember, kono, sono, ono always follows by noun. If you see here it is written kono hon. Hon is book. So this book. Kono hon wa omoshiroi desu. This book is interesting. Okay. Here kono follows by kuruma. Kuruma is car. Kono kuruma wa atatakai desu. Kono follows by noun everywhere. Again, kono is this thing or person which is near to speaker. Okay. So this is about kono. Then let's talk about sono. Sono means sono which is near to listener. Okay, let's take suppose this is speaker. Okay, and second person is listener. So this is listener. The things which are near to this is object. Any object which is near listener, which is near listener is called as a sono. The thing which is near to listener is called as a sono. Okay, sono pain. It means in sono word itself you will understand this object is near to listener. Sono pen wa anata no desu ka? So it means is it your pen? Sono ie wa oki desu. That house is big. So as per our rule, sono follows by noun. This is pen and ie is home. It is follows by noun. Okay. And when speaker says sono means it is away from speaker. Then the third one is ano. Okay. Ano is used when something is away from speaker and listener. Let's take example. This is speaker and this is listener. And the object is here. So this object is away from speaker and listener. Then we will call it as a ano. Ano means that over there. It is away from speaker and away from listener. So we will call it as a ano. Ano hito wa sensei desu. Suppose there is one person here and these two speaker and listener are talking. They are saying ano hito means that person. Wa sensei desu. That person is teacher. So ano is used when something is away from speaker and listener. In this case, you can say ano yama. Ano yama means it is away from speaker and listener again. Here the speaker listener concept again. If suppose this is a speaker, this is listener, okay? And kono, object which is near to speaker is called as a kono. Object which is near to speaker, near to listener is called as a sono. And if it is away from both, it is called as a anu. Okay. Now let's take suppose this book. This book is near to speaker, then speaker will be called as a konohon. Konohon means this book. Okay. And here the second thing, the object is near to listener. Okay. So this pen is near to listener. So the speaker will be called as a sono pen. It means that pen. And suppose this is mountain, this is away from speaker and listener, then in that case they are saying ano yama, that mountain. So ano is used because it is away from speaker and listener both. So this is a quick quiz for you guys. You try this quiz and please solve it and answer in the comment. Again, just a quick recap. Kono, sono, ano. So kono, which is near to speaker, thing or a person which is near to speaker. Sono is near to listener. Ano is away from both. Hi. So this is it for today. And so you can ask me if you have any doubts. I will definitely try to answer it. Thank you so much.